name is Feranmilawa. I am thrilled to welcome you to the first episode of our Yoruba language series here on Indigenous. Today, we are going to have lots of fun learning the Yoruba alphabet, which is the first step to speaking and understanding one of Nigeria's most spoken language. Let's start with a quick fact. Did you know that Yoruba alphabet has 25 unique letters? Each one helps us to create words that we use in our daily life. Let's dive in and meet each letter one by one. Letter Ha. Ha. Aja. Aja dog. Aja dog. B. Bata. Bata shoe. Bata shoe. D. Duru. Duru piano. Piano. E. Ejo. Ejo snake. Snake. E. Ẹyẹ. Ẹyẹ bird. Fi. Fìlà. Fìlà cap. Cap. Gi. Gèlè. Gèlè headgear. Bí. Gbàgùdá. Gbàgùdá cassava. I. Ihò. Ihò hole. Hole. I. Igi. Igi tree. Tree. J. Jagun jagun. Jagun jagun warrior. Warrior. K. Kìnìún. Kìnìún lion. Lion. Kìnìún lion. L. Labalábá. Labalábá butterfly. Labalábá. M. Màálù. Màálù cow. Cow. N. Nìṣó. Nìṣó go on. Go on nìṣó. O. Ológbò. Ológbò cat. Cat. Ológbò cat. Ọ. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ plantain. Plantain. P. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ duck. Duck. R. Ràkúnmí. Ràkúnmí camel. Camel. C. Sálúbàtà. Sálúbàtà slippers. Slippers. Ṣí. Ṣíbí. Ṣíbí spoon. Spoon. T. Tòlótòló. Tòlótòló turkey. Tòlótòló turkey. Who. Who. This letter U, there is no any Yoruba words that start from who, or else if it is from the Ilesha part of Yoruba side, Ilesha side, they are the ones that do use letter U to pronounce their words. But generally, there is no any letters that start from letter who. So let's move on. We. Wàrà. Wàrà. Wàrà milk. 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 Yí. Yànmùyànmú. Yànmùyànmú. Mosquito. 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 Lest I forget, do you know that one of the unique aspects of the Yoruba alphabet is that it does not include the letter Q and X. It does not include letter Q and L's. And it's 25 letters, unlike the English, which is 26. But It has additional vowel sounds that are crucial for pronouncing Yoruba words correctly. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson on the Yoruba alphabet. Remember, practice is key to mastering a new language. So I encourage you to go over these letters and words as often as you can. For your homework, try to recite the alphabet we learned today and use each letter to form simple words by yourself. This practice will help you become more familiar with sounds and usage of Yoruba letters. Stay tuned for our next episode, in which we will explore more fascinating aspects of Yoruba language and culture. Until then, keep practicing and exploring the beautiful Yoruba language. Don't forget to turn on your notifications button so that you will know when we post another video where we will be talking about Yoruba vowel and consonant sound. Stay tuned for the next episode.